The secret superpower of plants. Why polyploidy rules our world. What if I told you some of your favorite foods exist because of genetic glitch that actually makes them better? Today we are diving into polyploidy, the biological cheat code that is feeding the world. Look at these two strawberries. One is tiny and barely sweet, the other is huge and delicious. The difference? The big one has 8 copies of every chromosome instead of 2. It is like nature hit the multiply button on the genetic code. What is polyploidy? Most animals, including humans, are diploid. We have 2 copies of each chromosome, one from mom and one from dad. But polyploid organisms have 3, 4, 6 or even more complete sets. It sounds like a recipe for disaster. Too much genetic material should break things, but in plants it often creates superpowers. Here's what will blow your mind. Wheat is hexaploid, 6 sets of chromosomes. Those fluffy pancakes? Thanks to polyploidy. Strawberries are octoploid, 8 sets. That's why they are so much bigger and sweeter than their wild cousins. Bananas, potatoes, cotton, coffee are some polyploids feeding and clothing billions of people every single day. Why it matters? Polyploid plants are often bigger, more resilient and produce better yields. They can survive in harsher conditions and resist diseases that would kill their diploid relatives. Think of it like having backup systems. If one gene gets damaged, there are multiple copies to pick up the slack. It's biological redundancy at its finest. The evolutionary angle. Polyploidy has driven plant evolution for millions of years. It's like nature's way of rapidly creating new species. While it usually kills animals, plants thrive with extra chromosomes. Some scientists think polyploidy events helped plants colonize land and diversify into the green world we see. Modern applications. Today scientists are using polyploidy to create better crops. Need drought-resistant wheat, disease-proof strawberries, polyploidy might be the answer. It's not genetic modification in the traditional sense. We are just encouraging what nature already does. So next time you bite into a strawberry or eat a slice of bread, remember you are experiencing the power of polyploidy. This genetic mistake that became evolution's greatest success story. Nature's been using this cheat code for millions of years, and it is literally feeding the world. What other biological mistakes do you think turned out to be advantages? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more mind-bending biology, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell.